TSF again assembled around the Tripura Board of Secondary Education Office in demand of Kokborok Roman Script on Thursday. TSF General Secretary Hamalu Jamatia, former GS, John Debarma and others were present. Once again, TSF assembled around the Tripura Board of Secondary Education Office in demand of Kokborok Roman Script on Thursday. TSF General Secretary Hamalu Jamatia, former GS, John Debarma and others were present. On this day, members of TSF had a word with the Secretary of TBSE, and during the interaction with the media, TSF General Secretary Hamalu Jamatia allegedly spoke about the officials of government.
I'm Hamalu Jamatia, General Secretary TSF, and this is my president. Thank you very much. We all know today we have visited the TBSE. We all know what our students are facing. Even in the past, the students were forced to write the Kokborok subject in Bengali script. But 100% students are in favor of Roman script. And the government and the board, they are setting the question paper in Bengali script. But we want to make clear, the government should give the rights to the students in which subject they should be writing. If the government is forcing them, we TSF won't be silent. We all know what we TSF can do. And I will appeal my dear students, as your exams are approaching near, don't panic, don't afraid. Let the government decide in any whatever script, but our demand will be Roman script. As you want Roman script, write in Roman script. If anyone force, if any teacher, any principal force you to write the paper in Bengali script or other script, as you are in favor of Roman script, write in Roman script. We will definitely be standing by your side and supporting your side. Don't be afraid, don't panic. It is your rights. So we TSF will always be there. As we have visited the board, we have speak with the president. He will be writing a letter to the government, and we will definitely be waiting what is the response from the government side.
Thank you once again. Today we have come here in the Tripura board once again. It is not only the first time that we come here. We came yesterday also in the Tripura board regarding the setting of question paper both in Bengali and Roman script. As we know, since the students are mostly in favor of Roman script, and there are students who could not write in Bengali script, and it is very difficult for them to understand the Bengali script. Therefore, we came here to meet the president of the Tripura board. We have spoken with him clearly. We have submitted our memorandum, and president has ensured us that he will be sending the letter to the ministry as early as possible within today. So, what we would want to say here is that since there are no script policies, Kokborok should be written both in Roman and Bengali script. And we also, president told us that it is a foreign script, these things. But we told, how come Lusai is using Roman script? If it is a Roman script for us, Roman script is a foreign language for us, for Lusai, why not? When we talk about foreign script is everything is foreign for us, for the indigenous people, for the Tripura. Bengali is also foreign script for us. The Devanagari is also foreign to us. Everything is foreign. So, but one thing I want to make it very clear. The main culprit here is our own people. The main person, the main culprit, I would say, who is behind this, is all our own people. That is Dr. Atul Debarma. They have been blocking. They are the one. He has written a letter to the Tripura board stating that Roman script should not be used for Kokborok. It is Dr. Atul and his group. I want to tell them, give them a clear message. You are just a single person. Go and ask in every schools. How many of them wanted Roman script? Don't go by your own. Think in the great interest of the people. You cannot go by your own. This is not your property. This is a property of the society. Society will decide. You alone cannot decide what script is to be used for the Kokborok. What script Kokborok shall be used. It is the society who will decide. It is the student who will decide. It is not Dr. Otul. Dr. Otul cannot decide this thing. Who is he to decide for us, for our language, for the script of Kokborok? It is the people who will decide. He cannot decide. So I want to give him clear message. He should withdraw all these things. It is our own people who is blocking in everything. That's why we want to encourage the student. We're not forcing student to only compulsory write in Roman script, but who want to use Roman script, let them use it. Since it is their wish, their choice, their will. We are appealing once again to the Tripura board here today. We might be compelled to go for further agitation if we don't get any fruitful message from the Tripura board. Thank you.
In the end, TSF member also said that if their demands are not fulfilled, they will march for greater movement. Reported by Shalchang from Agartala, Chini Khorang.